this tutorial we see how to do shape formatting. First tutorial beginning we see picture format, text format. Now we will see about shape. If you know both almost similar, nothing is different. Suppose I want to go insert. Here you see insert shapes. I'll take one text box. Clear? Here text box. I want to place my text box here. For example, here my text box. Clear? I'll say hi. Hi. This is my text box. Text box by default coming as what? By coming as a rectangle. So the first format you can see shape style. Second format is what? Text. So what I will do is here I will select the shape style. I will check any style, same like shape styles. Click here, more, click it. You can find more templates are available, style templates. So if I say dashed outline ASCII 2, this is dashed outline ASCII 3. Anything you can select. You can select this is compound outline also. I will select this one. So this is my step. Suppose I want to fill the shape. I will fill yellow color. Clear? Shape fill. You can select any color. So this way you can do. You can do gradient also like this. You can fill. Like this you can fill it. So nothing is there. If you want text or something, you can do it. Like this you can fill. So shape outline. Shape outline. What I want to give is I want to give red color. Outline should be red color. So I want to give out color red weight. Weight you can see little bit thicker. I want to give weight. Same like how you did picture. Same dashes. Dashes also I want to give. Instead of this one I want to make it as round dot. Round dot dashes. And shape effect. Maybe shape effect should be reflection. I'll give reflection. Can you see the reflection here? So this way I can do it. Another important one here. I can rotate my wrap. Same picture also you can rotate. Rotate left like this and flip vertical and flip horizontal. Like this we can do the rotation. So this way we can do it. Now I want to change the shape. Suppose this rectangle. I don't want rectangle. I want to change. How I can do? Here you can see. Suppose I want to give diamond. See here. Diamond. Suppose I want some other change here. Can you see? Changes. This way I can do change shapes. Can you see? This way I can change and do the shapes also. So here what we learned this tutorial is the shape inside out. Inside the shape what how I can just changing the shape. How we can do the shape fill, shape outline, shape. Suppose I am selecting this picture, this text inside the shape. I can go this format. I can put text fill. Maybe you can see yellow fill like this. So this text alone I can go text fill or text style. If you want to do anything changes in the shape, you can go format, shape styles, shape fill, shape outline, shape effect. If you want to change the shape, you can go and do what? Change shape.